Engineering. Building a better future, with Stephen the Engineer. Hello and welcome to this video on software engineering. Software engineering is the process of designing, building, testing, and maintaining software. It's a multidisciplinary field that involves both computer science and engineering principles. Software engineering is a crucial aspect of modern technology. Virtually every aspect of our lives is touched by software in some way. From the apps on our phones to the programs that run our cars. Software engineering ensures that software is reliable, efficient, and secure. The software development lifecycle, or SDLC, is a process used by software engineers to design, build, test, and deploy software. The SDLC consists of several stages: planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. Software engineers use a variety of tools and techniques to design and build software. Some of the most popular programming languages used in software engineering include Java, Python, and C++. Other tools used in software engineering include version control systems like Git, project management tools like Jira, and automated testing frameworks like Selenium. Software engineering is a rapidly growing field, and there are many career opportunities available. Some of the most common job titles in software engineering include software developer, software engineer, systems analyst, and software architect. In conclusion, software engineering is an essential aspect of modern technology. By following the software development lifecycle, using the right tools and techniques, and pursuing the right career opportunities, you can make a meaningful impact in the field of software engineering. Hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons below and watch our other videos on different branches of engineering. Thanks for watching.